Ice cream sundaes.
My name's Becky, I'm 4 years old, and today we're going to make ice cream sundaes.
My name's Anastasia, I'm 4 years old, and I'm going to help Becky.
Let's get started.
They're putting in ice cream.
Then the jelly.
Now Becky is putting in Jello.
Oh, next. I'm going to have some jelly now. Is this jelly wobbly? This is. Oh, my jelly. Oh. Some ice cream. Jelly. Wibbly wobbly pocky jelly wibbly.
So wiggly jiggly.
Wobbly wibbly wobbly pocky jelly wibbly wobbly pop.
His is getting taller and taller. He's putting in more and more and more.
Mine's getting very, very big. Woo! The jelly. The jelly is full. Becky, can you pass me this sauce? Now what? This. Well, this would do it.
Now for some sprinkles. Some grapes and another topping.
This sauce. Oh yes, I do like my ice cream sundae. I think I made it beautifully.
It's melting a little bit. That looks really yummy.
I like making ice cream sundaes. I'm really pleased with that.